Good morning, good morning. It's me, Jima Cora. It's a beautiful day and I need to do gardening today because my plants need to add some soil and others need to change the soil because they become bushy. So yesterday I bought some soil there and fertilizer so they can grow more better. So, and also I need to pick out some of the plants that are too bushy, like the snake plants so much. So guys, this is my job today.